Hello, I'm Professor Yeoman. Let's verify this trig identity using only one side of the equation. I'm going to start with the most complicated side, and if I can get it down to tangent theta, then I've verified that this is an identity, that the equal sign is correct. First thing I want to do is I want to change secant to cosine so that everything here is in sines and cosines. So I use my reciprocal identity. And now, because I'm only working with one side, I can't multiply through on both sides to have things cancel because I don't have both sides of the equation that I'm working with. I can't touch this side if I'm only working with one side. But what I can do is I can multiply by 1. If I multiply by 1, I don't change anything, right? The form of 1 that I want to use here is cosine theta over cosine theta. That's the tricky part. I want to multiply top and bottom by cosine theta. So it will distribute through each of the terms in the numerator and in the denominator. So cosine theta times 1 over cosine theta is 1, minus cosine theta times cosine theta is cosine squared theta. Sine theta times cosine theta is sine theta cosine theta. Okay, now this is something that we recognize, right? It's over here in our Pythagorean identities. Sine squared plus cosine squared is 1, so 1 minus cosine squared is equal to sine squared. So I'm going to replace the numerator with sine squared. Sine squared is the same as sine theta times sine theta. And the denominator is sine theta times cosine theta. And then the sines will cancel, and I have sine over cosine, and sine over cosine is equal to tangent. So that verifies it. That's how you work with one side to verify an identity.